Are you tired of cutting lace? Are you tired of laying lace? Are you tired of lace in general? Well, girl, come on down to this video and let me show you what's tea. We got a new technique where you don't need no lace, you don't need no glue, all you need is you. That's really how the infomercials be. But hey girl, hey, what's up? Welcome back to the channel. If you are new here, welcome. Hey girl, hey. So today we're going to be doing a video on this wig right here. There's absolutely no lace. It's kind of like an invisible part, but in wig form. So let's get into it. Okay, so this wig was sent over to me from Sunber Hair, and this is what their packaging looks like. They included a cute little silk bag to store the wig inside. They gave a wig cap, edge brush, lashes, and some earrings. You know, a cute little a goodie bag. And this is what the wig looks like. You know, I always like to show you what the wig looks like before I co-wash it. And this is their VPart curly 20-inch wig. It is like a curly texture, but it's not quite a ringlet, but it still looks like, you know, curly hair. And the construction has like the two clippable combs on each side of the lace, a clippable comb in the middle, and then two regular combs on the side, a regular comb in the, you know, bottom back portion, and then adjustable straps. And this lace on this wig is not like lace. It's kind of like a grayish color, and I don't think it's meant to be like regular lace. But yeah, this is just the construction of the wig. One more look at the lace. Okay, so this is what the wig looks like after it has been air dried. The curls is really pretty, but you know I'm gonna fluff this up into Never Never Land, okay? Because this does not match like my texture, so I'm gonna need to like fluff it up to get it looking just a little bit more kinky to match my texture. I'm trying to like adjust my cap some kind of way because I got to have a cap on. I can't like not have a cap on. I don't know. But yeah, one more look at the wig. You could also wear this wig like as a headband wig, or you could do like half up, half down with it. You don't only have to do like the invisible part method. Now this comb did come loose and I had to like re-sew it. Let me just see how this is fitting. Okay, it fits nice and snug. You wanted to with this, you could have it leave out, or you could like do it like basically like an invisible part. So let me like start trying to work that out. I'm paying a lot of money.
Get to service just like that started. Science editor Steve Newman reports on one person already using the brand new system.
17 stories up in his fashionable North Beach apartment, Richard Howell is calling a local
wild child look, like, you know, because that's my vibe. This whole concept of like this style of wig is really genius. And I actually because I can't remember the girl's name, but I seen her do a video on like a wig with this type of construction. I cannot remember her name or her channel name. Wait, is it Mary Kay Bella? I think it's Mary Kay Bella. that just look, you see how my memory be working for me sometimes when it want to. But yeah, I seen a video that she did where like she had like a kinkier texture, and I literally was thinking to myself, like, I could make that. Like, I could literally take any wig that I have and cut it and then like make this wig. So I'm thinking about doing that with like this kinky curly wig that I have. It's like an afro kinky texture, and I was really thinking about kind of like showing you how you could really like create this type of wig with any wig. So let me know if you want to see that, because I was thinking about doing it. But this like whole concept is really genius because you don't have to worry about no leave out, especially with like a texture that matches your hair texture. I had to do a little bit of extra stuff because this doesn't really match my texture. Now a afro kinky curly texture would be so bomb, period. But this whole like concept, I love it. It's genius. It's like an invisible part but in a wig. Like, you remember when invisible parts was like a thing, but like you had to like either get it sewn down or like glue down, and you know, if you was anything like me and you want quick, fast, and in a hurry, you know, you had it glued down, and that is just team too much. So this is literally like an invisible part but in wig form, which I love because we all loved the invisible parts, okay? But yeah, like, and also too, this hair quality is really good. Like, this hair feels really nice. It feels really, really soft. Aside from like the comb kind of like coming to loose and the thread kind of like coming to loose, I really didn't have any issues with this wig. I did get like a lot of shedding, but I think it's because of how the wig is constructed, like with the whole like, it's just kind of like some sort of lace situation right here. So I'm not sure if it came from that, but I did get like, you know, a little bit of well, not a little bit more than a little bit of shedding. But for me, it wasn't anything to be alarmed about. I'm just letting you know in case you care about like shedding. If you're a girl who doesn't really care too much for lace, like, this is for you for sure. And here's a look at the sides, like no lace showing because there's no lace on it. Like, it just looks really good and really natural. Okay, y'all, I'm gonna go. Once again, shouts out to Sunber Hair for sending me over this wig and collaborating with me on today's video. I will leave all the links to the wig and to the company down in the description box if you're interested. And I also want you to drop that in the comments and let me know what you thought of this wig and like this kind of like technique. And let me know if you want me to make a video like kind of like creating this type of wig out of any afro kinky curly wig. I think I'm gonna do that anyway, lowest key, even if you don't let me know, because like I really just want to try it out for myself and just see if it's giving what it's supposed to have gave. But yeah, I'm gonna go for real this time. Give the video a thumbs up, subscribe if you're not yet subscribed, and I'll catch you in my next one. Enjoy the rest of your week, and whatever it may be. Peace and blessings.